What's up, everybody? I'm your host, TJ Mike, and I'm here to bring you the first of what I hope to be many helpful tech videos. Today, we're going to tackle how to disable notifications in Windows 10. Let's dive right in. So the first thing I'm going to have you do is either click on the Start menu button and start typing, or click in the search bar and start typing notifications. We're going to click on the first one that comes up, Notifications and Action Settings. Now, if you want to turn off all notifications altogether in Windows 10 that come up here in the notifications area, they're a little annoying. You can tick this little on-off notification here and then turn off all three of these checkboxes. And then you won't get any notifications from anything. If you just want to turn off the notifications for kind of the annoying Windows stuff that'll pop up, you can turn off all 6 of these. And then down here, you'll have different apps like Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, and you can switch those on or off as you please. That's it. That's all it takes to turn off those annoying notifications. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop it down in the comments. Don't forget to click that like button. Thanks, and I hope to see you again soon.